चैनल व्लॉग विद प्री पे आप सभी का स्वागत है। कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ये इतने दिनों बाद बोलने के लिए। Yes, I wasn't active on YouTube since quite a lot of time. Right now आप लोग पूछ रहे थे वीडियोस का है। Finally I am back on track. I had some work so I couldn't shoot a lot of videos, but hopefully I am back on track now, and now you can expect like great videos from this channel now onwards. Every week one video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go down, subscribe, hit that red button and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. So these days I was trying out different things, and therefore this idea came to my mind that we could start a series called Trying Out with Pri, where I would be trying out different recipes and things and telling you guys if they are worth trying or not. So I was scrolling through Instagram and got to know about this OG live cookies by the next door baker. I would leave a link in the description box below in case you would be looking for it. So let's just get into the kitchen and start baking. So we are in the kitchen right now, and therefore let's just start baking. But firstly we need to arrange all the ingredients in
so that it will get easier for us to bake the cookies quickly. So I'm going to go and find all the ingredients and put everything in place, and then let's just start making the cookies. I am really excited.
Okay, so for the ingredients I have my mixing bowl, I have ghee, and I am not taking melted butter here because I didn't have it at home, and as it is a Sunday, we can't go out because it is a complete lockdown here in Mumbai. So I decided rather I would add salt to ghee, and basically it would compromise for it, and basically that makes salted butter. So here in the recipe we have to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So here I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee plus a pinch of salt. So basically I am jugadifying the recipe, but yes, that is what you do when you are in lockdown. Taking some icing sugar, caster sugar. So I'm gonna be using the normal PCV chini. So this is basically like my version of the OG life cookie. Let's see if this works out, because if this does, it's like going to be my favorite, because life cookie is basically a chocolate chip cookie, a single chocolate chip cookie. So yes, okay, so we added sugar now, and then she's mixing it all. Like half tablespoon. I'm gonna be using the same ghee wala chammach. This goes 1, here goes 2. So added 2 tablespoons. About 1 cup maida as well. Okay, so my mixture has gone totally lumpy, and I don't know if this would turn out good, but let's just hope that it turns out good.
Do it! Just do it!
It does look a little bit like hers now after adding 2 tablespoon milk. Okay, so now I'm just gonna trust the process and go ahead with the recipe. Now she's adding about 150 gram maida, which is like about how many cups? I need cup ka measurement because I don't have a weighing scale as well. See, जुगाड़ू recipes ऐसे ही चलते हैं. So it's like 1/4 cup maida. Okay, 1/4 cup maida. So we need to add like 1/4 cup maida now. Okay, let's just take 1/4 cup maida. Mix it into 2 batches, but now I have mixed it, so I have no other option but to mix it in all in one. My cookies look sad because they don't have brown sugar and they don't have color, but I think they're gonna be turning out pretty nice, so I don't care. Or else I would just add some food coloring to the final dough.
What an idea, Sarchi.
I don't know which color is this. I feel it's yellow or pink, I don't know. Yeah, it's pink. just added a bit of food coloring. Breaking the dark chocolate into some pieces, I'm gonna add it in the cookies, like into pieces, so that it just, you know, makes like chocolate chips. So it's not necessary that you should have all the ingredients at home. If you have the jasba of making cookies, just go for it.
Do it! Just do it!
Okay, and my mixture doesn't look like hers at all.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा
So I'm gonna be adding some more maida, and she's done. Oh my god, I'm not sifting this one. I don't know why. I'm just tired at this point, so I'm just gonna be adding some more maida. I don't know if at all this is going to be turning out into a cookie or not, because now at this point I'm really doubtful of my baking skills. We are going to be using Desi Jugaad level in 2000. So she used an oven, but I am using this kadai, the Desi Jugaad, and I am going to be keeping this to preheat until I clean all of this mess. It's not easy, guys, to make a video. It's not easy, okay? Pouring the same salt in. So my preheat thing looks something like this. So guys, the mess has been successfully cleared, and I clearly look awful, but yes, so this is the update on the cookie dough. This is how it looks like, and we are going to be using this dish as a baking tray, and we are going to be greasing it with the same ghee, and yeah, that's just. So let's get started. And here our kadai is preheating on a low flame. So yes, it's pretty tiring, to be honest, but yeah, I'm gonna do it. I hope you guys can see. Yes. So first of all, we need to grease the whole thali. We're gonna do that. Okay, greased, done. And now we just need to grease our hands as well, so that the dough doesn't stick to our hands. And now just make small balls of the dough. So I'm gonna be, you know, just, yes, this is the first dough. Keep safe distance, guys. इसको भी social distancing follow करवाओ, cookies को भी.
वाह मोदी जी वाह वाह.
Because the cookies get flattened up really big, so उसका ध्यान रखो, and place the cookies quite at a distance so that they don't run into each other, and do the same for every cookie dough. And इसके ऊपर वापस से chocolate chips. So these are the desi way of getting chocolate chips out of chocolate slabs. If you have chocolate slabs at home and no chocolate chips, you can still, you know, go and try out these cookies. Don't get afraid. This is how the final plate looks like, and I think our kadai has preheated, so let's just keep the cookies in. So guys, the cookies are finally baking, and I am really excited to see how they turn out, but हमें उसको 20 मिनट छोड़ना है. This waiting time ना really is like, आप मुझे comments में बताओ, आप भी इतने impatient होते हो कि if you cook something and it requires some time to get done, like I really get so impatient कि यार कंटाला आता है ना, मतलब ऐसे होता है कि यार अभी होगा and still needs time, but क्या कर सकते हैं, we need to wait, and I'm ready to wait for it because I'm really excited about the results. So let's wait. So मैंने exact same ingredients use नहीं किए, but let's see if our jugaad turns out nice. हो भी सकता है ना. So
वाह मोदी जी वाह.
Update after 10 minutes. I just have got really pretty looking cookies, and but मैंने अभी ऐसे फोक डाल के चेक किया, it's still soft, so we need to keep it. But I'm really excited because these look really nice. Oh my god. So it's 20 minutes and the cookies look really nice. The base is like crunchy and ऊपर का भी थोड़ा सा tough हो गया है, but the cookies are still soft and chewy as mentioned in the video. And we need to let this cool for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes more, ताकि वो एकदम ऐसे crunchy और कड़क हो जाए. So yes, the cookies look really nice. So अब हम टेस्ट टेस्ट करके देखेंगे after 10-15 minutes कि कैसे बने हैं. बाकी देखने में तो एक नंबर बने हैं. Really didn't expect this results from the cookie, and it's like really crunchy from and really nice. It also is oozing out chocolate. Oh my god, I'm like really excited to try this out, and I know this is going to be good. This OG Life Cookies, fully approved. You should definitely try this out. And this was like very basic ingredients, but the cookies have turned out like really nice. I won't stop eating it. It's like so good. So definitely try these cookies out at home because these are like pyar, naya pyar. It's like really good. So if you are craving any form of cookies, you don't need to go out. Just bake it at your home. I made this in about 40-50 minutes with shooting the whole video. So I think if you guys do it at home, you might be able to do it under 30 minutes. So yeah, it's not bad at all. Like actually it's very nice. And now when I would be craving for like nice cookies, I'm definitely not ordering. I'm baking them at my place. And yeah, so if you like this video for whatsoever reason, please hit that like button. It just helps the algorithm to make this video reach a lot more people. So yeah, free है, सिर्फ like करना है. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, tata, bye bye, goodbye, outro.